Hey guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here, and this is what's in the box. Today we've got the FactionFab stainless steel brake lines. First, let's talk about what these lines are made of. They feature a 3-layer construction, with the outermost layer being a clear PCV abrasion resistance coating for protection. The middle layer is a mesh stainless steel, which gives it its superior strength as well as that classic stainless steel braided look. The innermost layer is a PTFE liner, which carries the fluid and ensures leak-free performance. For your safety, each line is tested before it leaves the factory at 4,500 PSI. Every single line includes stainless steel precision machined fittings for a perfect fit and corrosion resistance. Each kit we sell is vehicle specific, guaranteeing a perfect fit. These stainless steel lines are designed to replace your soft factory brake lines, which is going to give you better braking feel as well as, well, just an awesome look on the car as well. If you guys are looking to upgrade your braking system, definitely check out these FactionFab stainless steel brake lines. I'll throw a link in the description below. It's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.